Story time. Story time. Bible story time. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Bible 365 Bible Stories and Prayers, where we read one Bible story a day for 1 year. Yesterday, we read about Jacob tricks Esau and Isaac, Genesis 27. So this was about the twins, Jacob and Esau. The other day that we read, you agree that I will be the number one son and the head of the family. So then this was the blessing that Isaac is the father, had given to Jacob instead of Esau. Rebekah made a plan. Isaac would never know because he was blind. He would bless Jacob instead of Esau. Isaac prayed for God's blessing on Jacob. And now this today is about Jacob's ladder. Jacob's ladder, Genesis 28:10 through 22. Jacob was sent to stay with his mother's brother Laban. His mother and father hoped he would marry someone from among their own people. He set off on his journey, feeling lonely and frightened. At sunset, he settled down to sleep on the ground, wrapping his cloak around him for warmth. As he slept, Jacob had a dream. He saw a staircase reaching up to heaven, with angels moving up and down it. The angels were carrying God's message. Then Jacob saw God standing near him. God said, I am the God of Abraham and Isaac. I will make this land in which you lie your home. I will bless you and your children and your children's children. I will watch over you and look after you whenever you go, and I will bring you back home to this place. When Jacob woke up, he was very afraid. A long journey to a strange land lay ahead of him. But he remembered the dream and felt a little better. If you protect me and bring me safely back home, as you have said, he prayed, you will always be my God. Then, feeling stronger and more comforted, Jacob picked himself up and continued on his journey. It was still many miles to his mother's home country. So what did you learn?
Jacob left, and then they left and played some leaves. And this was my
Angels.
He was so afraid. Here we go, because he was scared.
There we go. Alright, so that was today's lesson. Now tomorrow, or next time, we're reading Jacob Meets Laban. I thank you very much for listening and watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Later, boys and girls.